Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying hardware compatibility. Thunderbolt 3 or 4, enclosure power rating, and GPU TDP. Once done, pick an eGPU enclosure that matches the card's power needs, because underpowered setups cause instability. Before assembly, download the latest GPU drivers and Thunderbolt firmware so you won't stall later. Make sure Laptop BIOS allows external PCIe devices and disable Secure Boot only if required. These steps prevent driver conflicts and smooth. You now install the graphics card into the enclosure, seating it firmly and attaching the 6 or 8-pin power cables. This ensures stable power delivery. Next, connect the Thunderbolt cable and power the enclosure before booting the laptop. That order helps the host enumerate the device correctly. When the OS boots, accept any Thunderbolt pairing prompts and then install the GPU drivers. If using Windows, run the driver installer as admin. If Mac OS, use the system graphics preferences and any vendor utilities to activate the card. You finish by designating the eGPU as the preferred device in system or application settings, so workloads actually use the external card. Once complete, run a benchmark or a game to confirm performance and monitor temps and power usage. This explains whether cooling or power limits need adjustments. If the eGPU isn't detected, reseat PCIe and Thunderbolt connections, update enclosure and laptop firmware, try a different port, or temporarily disable the integrated GPU in BIOS. These fixes resolve the most common connection problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.